4. Simple low-calorie diet dish ideas for free. 1. Avocado pesto zucchini noodles with shrimp. In this zesty pesto pasta dish, use spiralized zucchini instead of noodles to cut carbs. To complete this quick and easy dinner, top with Cajun seasoned shrimp. Ingredients checklist. 14 teaspoons salt, divided 5 to 6 medium zucchini, 2 1/4 - 2.5 pounds total. 1 avocado, ripe. 1 cup fresh basil leaves, packed. 14 cup shelled pistachios, unsalted. 'Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. 14 teaspoon pepper, ground. 14 cup extra virgin olive oil plus 2 teaspoons extra virgin olive oil, divided. 1 pound raw shrimp, 21 to 25 count, peeled and deveined, tails left on if desired. 3 garlic cloves, minced. Old Bay seasoning, 1 to 2 tablespoons. 2. Muffins with lemon and raspberry. The strips of lemon zest carefully crushed into the sugar are the secret to the sparkling flavor of these delicately crumbed muffins. Warm muffins are delicious and fresh out of the oven. Ingredients checklist. 1 lemon. 12 cups of sugar. 1 cup buttermilk, non-fat, C-tip. 1/3 cup of canola oil. 1 egg, big. 1 teaspoon essence of vanilla. 1 cup whole wheat pastry flour or white whole wheat flour, see shopping tip. 1 cup flour, all-purpose. 2 tablespoons baking powder. 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. 14 teaspoon kosher salt. 12 cup frozen or fresh, not thawed, raspberries. 3. Nacho fries with loaded sweet potatoes. When you replace tortilla chips with sweet potatoes in this nutritious meal, you'll get more vitamin A and fiber. Add chicken, tofu, shrimp, or ingredients checklist. 2 tablespoons olive oil extra virgin. 14 teaspoons salt plus a pinch, divided 2 medium sweet potatoes, approximately 1.5 pounds, cut into 1/4 inch thick sticks. 2 tablespoons sour cream, low fat. 1 lime juice tablespoon. 1 cup fresh or frozen corn kernels. 12 cup cheddar cheese, shredded. 1 avocado, chopped. 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro. 13 cups black beans, washed. 12 cups cherry tomatoes, halved or quartered if large. 2 scallions. 4. Yogurt peach popsicles. In this crowd-pleasing frozen pop recipe, resist the desire to peel the peaches, or nectarines or plums. The skin of the fruit provides. Ingredients checklist. 12 cup ripe peaches, nectarines, and/or plums, chopped. 14 cups of honey. 3 tablespoons of water. 14 cup vanilla Greek yogurt, low fat. Subscribe and like this channel for more keto diet videos.